Yeah.
Right, we'll just wait for this train and then we'll go for it. But yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, first question is, tell us what you've been doing today.
Well, I've been taught how to defend properly, how to turn my waist. I've been doing 1v1s, agility work as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
What's been your favourite thing that you've done, or favourite part of the day?
Probably the 1v1s because Megan Reed told me I was doing something well, which was really a magical moment.
Do you know about Megan? Tell us who Megan is.
She's the center defender for Angel City.
And tell us exactly, what did she say to you?
She told me I was doing really well boxing the striker out, which was like what you're supposed to do, and that I made sure that I was staying on like in front of the goal.
Cool. And you said something really cool before about strong women. Can you tell us again, if I say again, what's been the most memorable thing today? Tell us that.
Definitely being taught by such powerful women, because I feel like they really know what they're talking about, and they're definitely really like genuinely trying to help us to be better people, and even try to become pro someday.
What do you like most about playing soccer?
I guess I just love the community and like the sense of family, right? And also definitely being able to shoot and score, that's really fun too. Thank you.
It's easy. That's brilliant, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want it together? No, it's got to be. No worries. Cool. I think we'll get the mic back.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
This?
Perfect.
Yeah, do you need someone else?
That's perfect.
Okay, great.
And then if you just maybe unstick and re-stick that mic, just because you've got a bit of a crease in it.
There we go.
And a little bit lower.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, Luke.
All right. So first question is, how have you enjoyed today?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed playing with all these well-experienced coaches, and I think I could learn a lot from them.
What was your favourite part of the day? What did you enjoy most?
My favorite part of the day was when we did 1v1s over there, because like I got to like just play against other people and know how they play.
Did you see or speak to Megan at all? How was she?
She's really nice. She knows how to defend really well, and she knows all those techniques.
And just what's your favourite part of being here? Have you met lots of new friends, or tell us, like, apart from the football, the things that you've enjoyed about it?
All the girls here are nice. They really are like just super like. They just talk to you a lot, and just yeah.
And the last one is, what's your favourite thing about playing soccer?
My favorite thing about playing soccer is with my friends. Even if they aren't there, I get to make new friends, and I just like the competition and all that.
Brilliant. There you go.
Thank you.
Nice and easy. Thanks so much.